Welcome back. In a shocking incident, husband murdered his wife by stabbing her at their rented residence at Saliswada Para on Wednesday night. Reason behind the murder is yet not known, but police suspect that a tussle between the couple might have led to the murder. Police sources say that accused husband Ravi Rathod is absconding.
25-year-old Geeta Rathod was brutally stabbed and murdered by her husband Ravi Rathod on Wednesday night. Police sources say that accused is absconding. Goa police have sent a team to Bijapur, Karnataka in search of the accused. The reason of murder is yet not known, but the police suspect tussle between the couple might have led to a murder.
सालीसवाडा पर्रा हांगा एक बायल गीता चव्हाण म्हणून तुजे गांवान तुजो तिका हें केली म्हणून स्टेप केली म्हणून रवी चव्हाण म्हणून तो नेटिव्स ऑफ बिजापूर. मागीर आमची टीम गेली, पुलीस गेले. रवी रातोड तो मागीर थंय वयतकच ती भायर पडलेली आसलेली. मागीर सगळे पुलीस फॉर्मेलिटीज केले आनी आमकां कळोन येयलें हो.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is firm with government's stand that bureaucrats should be promoted considering the merit and seniority and not just seniority. Chief Minister refuted charges by the opposition MLAs that the government wants to saffronize the bureaucracy and administration. CM made it clear that state government is following the policy of promotion on merits and seniority since 1995. The question government's policy on promotions was raised by Kurtori MLA Alex Regina Lawrence.
Why this circular of why this memorandum of 1995 was in fact taken to 2011, and in 2011 why it was superseded back? What made the government do exactly this?
This circular 2002 had come when I was chief minister. And ताजो impact हांवें पळोवन ते circular हांवें accept करूं. Government had not accepted it, and it is not only me. Honorable Leader of Opposition, when he was Chief Minister, has also rejected this circular. Honorable Member Sri Digambar Kamath, when he became Chief Minister, he again rejected it. Somehow in 2011, someone managed to get the circular passed.
It is said in the reply that if you are assessed as outstanding and very good, you are given promotion. I am of the opinion that there are 5 officers. If there are 5 officers in the scope of in the zone of consideration, I am at number 5. I get outstanding. I get outstanding because I am close to the director.
The scheme which this 2011 circular has, once you are good, you get promoted by seniority. There is no guarantee that a person who is not capable is not senior. कळ्ळें म्हणटा तें सिनियरिटीनूच वयर सरतलो तो, आनी सिनियरिटीन वयर सरलो जाल्यार तो कॅपेबल आसतलो हाची गॅरंटी कांयच ना. सगळें आयलें. सो डोंट गिव कलर टू इट बिकॉज द कलर वील फॉल ऑन यू. पॉलिसी मॅटराचेर म्हाका ओपोजिशनान पॉलिसी मॅटर कितें आसचो गव्हर्मेंटाचो हें सांगपाची गरज ना. दीस इज पॉलिसी मॅटर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट. वी हॅव एक्सेप्टेड that it is performance cum seniority which will form the promotion concept. 1995 circular is correct in the interest of better bureaucracy. And this policy was not decided by BJP government. This policy was decided by Congress government, which was a correct policy. Just because it was decided by Congress government, I don't want to change it.
So at least some things are good of the Congress government.
Who says?
You are saying, na?
हांव कुसलो स्पीकर सर जाल्यार तो सगळो कुसना.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa bench of Bombay High Court has issued notices to the government on petition challenging the manner of implementation of the Ladli Lakshmi scheme. The matter has been adjourned for 2 weeks after Advocate General sought 2 weeks' time to file a reply in the court.
Bench of Bombay High Court at Goa, Justice Avinash Lavande and Utkarsh Bakre issued notices to the government on petition challenging the manner of implementation of the Ladli Lakshmi scheme on Thursday. Steffi Fernandez, a 19-year-old girl, has filed a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution in the High Court. Steffi claims requirement that the form be signed only before an MLA or MP is for a political and malified purpose. Steffi's counsel, Advocate Irish Rodriguez, says that this form should be made available at government offices.
Chief Minister has made a statement last week also that the forms will be in future available with the opposition MLAs. This is not acceptable. Why should one go to the door of a MLA for a form which is for public welfare? I'm in total disagreement with the Honorable Chief Minister. These forms have to be made available at the government offices, and the Chief Minister has also made a statement on the floor of the House that if the form is signed by a MLA or a MP, it would be processed faster. This is not acceptable. Bombay High Court was pleased to today issue notice to the government of Goa. The learned Advocate General has sought 2 weeks' time to file his reply, and the Honorable Court will hear this matter after 2 weeks.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Congress spokesperson Jitendra Desh Prabhu has accused Chief Minister of corruption by promoting illegal mining. Desh Prabhu says that buffer zone should not be brought below 10 kilometers radius from conservation areas. He claims that rule made by the government making wearing of helmets compulsory to rider as well as pillion riders is an opportunity to make money.
Let the Chief Minister know that I challenge him to prove that I was involved in an illegal mining. Let the Chief Minister prove. Otherwise, I will prove that by not introducing and not taking actions on the mines within the buffer zone of 10 kilometers radius, the Chief Minister is doing corruption. The Chief Minister is promoting illegality. He said everything is illegal. And after he became the Chief Minister, everything is legal. This illegality, if Manohar Parrikar is not able to see, he must stop speaking about the mines and mining illegality. He must not say that there is illegality in minings at all, because he is the one who is promoting this. The buffer zone cannot be changed. I reiterate, and I shall reiterate to the Ministry of Environment and Forest, New Delhi. I am leaving for Delhi tomorrow with my necessary recommendations. I will meet these ministers, also the UPA chairman, to tender this say of mine as part of the Congress say, that there shall not be any reduction of the buffer zone for the mining activity.
Jitendra Desh Prabhu is suspecting a money-making racket in the compulsory helmet decision.
When the government puts in a rule that even the pillion rider must wear the helmet, is it...
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.